2012 Camaro with an MBRP catback system. I'm gonna take it off. Go ahead and start it.
Chevy Camaro SS. Really beautiful car. It's got it really nicely done. Lowered wheels. It's got I think a mild cam in it. I'm not sure. He's got a YouTube channel also. LSX Santos. Santos. So if you guys want to follow his build, follow his channel. That's the name of it. LSX Santos. Santos. So he had a MBRP system before that we took off. Two high flow cats there and there. It's got long tube headers there and there, so you guys can tell he's been working on it. Then 3-inch system, aftermarket X-pipe there. Then it's true dual all the way back. And there's the MBRPs right here, the axle back. We took them off and ran 3-inch pipe in their place there and there. And we supplied them with some nice tips there and right there out the back. Look at that. Looks so much better. It's a really nice car. I really like the stance of it. It's clean. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys like it. Like my ear's gonna fall. Long tube headers, high flow cats, X-pipe. And it's a manual, guys. The car is beautiful too. Even though it's a 2012, it looks like it's a 2022. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's so loud. I love it. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! You can still hear it. Look, you can still hear it. It's going up the hill. Infiniti Q50S all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. As you guys can see, can barely hear it. There's sound decibels on it. Right at 85 again. That's what it sounds like. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2020 Infiniti 3.0 liter Q50 S as in Sam. Look at that sexy, beautiful car. It's a 2020 Infiniti Q50S 3.0 turbo. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single, then wires back out. Then usually there's resonators right there. We cut them off, ran 2 1/4 all the way back. Then there's usually 2 mufflers, one there and one there. We cut those off and ran 2 1/4 in their place, straight all the way back into 4-inch carbon fiber tips right there and right there. There'll be a link in the description for them for you guys. There's the muffler we cut off. That's how it comes. It comes dual in. So for people to know, it comes dual in and then comes out dual out. And then they connect right here. And that's where the resonators go, right before them. And then it goes out the back into the mufflers and then out the tailpipes. So when you guys call the muffler shop, you tell them it's already dual in, dual out on the muffler. So they can give you the right, accurate price. Yeah. That sounds so good. Sound decibels again. You hit one with that earlier. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. And again, we want to thank him. He's in the Air Force. We want to thank him for his service, guys, too. If you guys can thank him online. Go ahead and back it out. Carbon fiber tips. We'll see. Get you guys a link in the description for them. This sounds so good. Infiniti Q50S. Let you guys hear on the inside. So good. 2018 Honda Civic Sport. The Sports come in turbo, and it's a manual 6-speed. Really nice car. Got factory converter up there somewhere, and then no secondary, which is a good thing. Then factory resonator, 2-inch pipe all the way back. Then what we did is custom muffler delete with quad tips. We'll show you guys in a second. Right there, with a custom Y pipe that we built in-house, and custom quad tips out the back, 4-inch, as you guys can see. Out there's a little plastic piece that comes here, right there. We took it out so we can make the quad tips fit. There's the muffler system that we cut off of it, the 2 mufflers. Look at that, it's like a spaceship design. So we got rid of about 50 pounds right there. Made it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. I needs more. Those quad tips look badass though. I like them. Here's sound decibels. Again. Rev it. 85. One more. All right, we're taking the resonator off. 19 Honda Civic Sport. So it wasn't loud enough. So guess what we did? Took the resonator off. You guys can see right there. Factory converter, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff up there. There's the And then there's the muffler delete we did 5 minutes ago. And that's where the resonator was. We took that off. So now, no more resonator, no more mufflers. There it is. So it's fully straight pipe right now other than the catalytic converter. It is a 6-speed manual turbo. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. That's how it should be. Wasn't even reaching, I think, 89 with the... Your sound decibels? Right at 102. Go ahead and back it up. Those tips look so perfect now, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Honda Civic Sport. Again. Let you guys hear it on the inside. SX. I don't know about that wind, man. It's gonna ruin the sound. Nice. Heck yeah. 2019 Toyota Tundra V8. Really beautiful truck, nice lifted. It's a good friend of mine's dad's truck. We really appreciate him bringing it to us. So what we got done on it for you guys, as you guys can see them there, true dual. Factory 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it usually comes dual in, single out to the muffler. We cut the muffler off, put 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Excuse me, guys. Had to take a breath. FLOWMASTER Outlaws, 815-425. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then we ran 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side, there and there, and then out the sides, right there. Angle cut, tips black, there and there, as you guys can see. So it's true dual with FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Do all those things you guys do. True dual FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Woohoo! Here's sound decibels. Again. 108. That sounds really nice. That's the muffler and everything we cut off on, guys, right there. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds nice. Really nicely done truck. Nicely done truck. Let you guys hear on the inside.